How to put on a kilt. The first and most important thing you must remember when putting on a kilt is that the pleats go to the back. Open the kilt up, secure the garment around your waist, firstly taking the right hand apron across the front, pulling the strap through the hole on the other side and doing up the buckle at a comfortable point. Once the buckle is secured, swivel the kilt around to make sure it's easier to reach the strap on the other side and do up this buckle also. Once the second buckle is secured, swivel the kilt back around so that the centre point of the tartan pattern on the front apron is in the middle of your body. Make sure to adjust the height of your kilt so that the bottom of the kilt splits your knee. The final touch is to add your kilt pin. This should be attached to the right hand side of your kilt on the bottom corner on the front apron of your kilt. Pierce the pin through the top layer of the kilt fabric only. Do not pin it through both layers of the pleats, as this can restrict movement and potentially damage your kilt. Make sure it's nice and straight and you're done. How to put on a sporran. First step is to attach the sporran chain to the loops on the back of the sporran like so. Then wrap the sporran around your waist, threading the strap through the loops on the back of your kilt. Position the sporran so that it is centred on your body by adjusting the chain or strap as needed. It should be at the correct position to cover your essentials. Finally, make sure the sporran is centred and aligned with the rest of your kilt outfit. It should not be crooked or off on one side. How to tie ghillie brogue laces. To begin tying your laces, hold the laces pulled tight like so and twist 4 or 5 times. Then take the laces around the back of your leg, then around the front again, and tie a bow on the outer side of your leg. Then do the exact same on the other foot. How to put on your hose and flashes. Flashes help to pull your outfit together, as well as helping to keep your kilt hose stay up all day. Firstly, pull your kilt hose all the way up over your knee, then take the garter and wrap it around your leg over the hose, at 2 to 3 fingers below your knee. The flashes themselves should be worn on the outside of your leg. Do up the clip and tighten the garter to a comfortable tightness. Then pull the top of your hose down over the garter to cover it so that a couple of inches of the flash are left showing and the hose are folded below your knee. How to wear a skiing do. The skiing do, meaning black knife in Scottish Gaelic, is derived from traditional Scots tools and continues to be worn as a symbol of courage or strength. The skiing do is normally tucked into the outside of your kilt hose on the side of your dominant hand. Only the hilt, which is the handle of the skiing do, should stick out of your hose. You can choose to wear an imitation skiing do without a blade, or one with a blade, useful for peeling oranges, or even a skiing brew for opening bottles. How to fold and wear a kilt plaid. The easiest way to wear your fly plaid is to grab one corner and shake it out like so that the fabric naturally falls. To attach the plaid to the jacket, simply thread the kilt pinned end of the plaid through the epaulette of your jacket on your left shoulder. Take the folded corner and pin your plaid brooch through all the layer of the fabric securing the folds. Make sure you do this step without pinning the brooch to your jacket, as the pin will damage your lovely jacket. And you're done.